This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn Do Not Disturb on the Facebook Messenger app. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing you need to do is tap on the Messenger app. Then you want to tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you'll scroll down to where you see it says Notifications and Sound, and tap on that. Then right in here, Do Not Disturb. You just tap on it, toggle it on. And it'll ask you, do you want to do this for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, until 8 a.m.? You can select any one of them. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm going to leave mine off. But that's how you toggle on Do Not Disturb in Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching.